Hello, trading is closed on September 28th, 2020. Let's do our disclaimer, go over our calls. This is my trading plan for tomorrow, September 29th, 2020. Can't guarantee the plan's going to work. Trade at your own risk. Anybody wants to contact me, here's my email address. I have two people who tell me they're still having trouble downloading the webinar video. I will get to you. I can't do it myself. My son has to do it. He's been busy all day. And you just heard the bell, meaning it's 7 o'clock here in the Central Time Zone. And he's not even home yet. So if he gets home at some time, I'm going to have him handle it. If not, I'll be a day late. Okay, well, this is the pattern we said had the early low. There it is. Tomorrow has the early high. We gapped up, hit higher highs, closed under all these higher highs. It's a negative pattern. Should lead to lower prices at some point tomorrow unless we gap in either direction, take this high out early. That's not impossible because we are rallying, but as you see, we're rallying into resistance, and if we are going to overtake it, it would make a much clearer picture if we gapped over it tomorrow. During the day, we got an ultimate buy signal plus a buy signal. They both worked, but the minimum target was quite close. Printed immediately. We got all we had to get. Signal doesn't have to offer any more. Here's a daily chart. The TDST line's a support resistance area. We broke through support by printing a bar, more than one bar, completely under the line. There's one bar and a bar under that one. So we've now rallied back up to resistance. And there's a good chance that's going to hold. Here's the daily chart. This brown line is 50-day moving average. That's resistance as well. Probably all kinds of ways to count the waves here. But this one has good balance right at the high, suggests this leg's over. Other patterns might work, and if we take the high out, the idea is dead. But if we start to drop tomorrow, even the futures are up now, if that happens, this explains this as a possible top. Tomorrow's pattern has really high, doesn't mean you won't gap down. We gapped up, hit a higher high, then closed under numerous relative highs. It's a negative pattern. Unless we gap and overtake today's high early, we should trade lower. Doesn't have to be a negative close though. One wave count suggests the rally leg is ended, but other counts may be out there. Today's high is also a target of a prior consolidation. Bulls need to take this high out early, ideally by gapping over it. If that doesn't happen, and the longer we go without taking out this high, the greater the chance that high is going to be around for a while. It's a candidate for the end of this leg. Once again, it gets invalidated if we gap up smartly and take out the high. Even if we gap down smartly and take out the high, the idea is killed. But if it doesn't fall early, it might stick around a while. And that is today's call.